So let us see next heading, that is what? Our population. Our population is a condition in which population is so large that the available resources are not enough. Okay, our population means the population is so large, but available resources are not enough for the people to get. See, go to top. Not enough for all the people to get basic necessities. Basic necessity means, already I said to you, what is it? For our basic need, like food we need. Without food we can't live, or without job we can't live, and without shelter, and these all the things. Okay, and there we say, so our population, that is a condition. That is, overpopulation is a condition. And what type of condition it is? In which the population is so large, where there is population is so large, the available resources are not enough for the people, for all the people to get a basic necessity. That is what overpopulation. Okay. And for example, we can say, so Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria and Tanzania, such kinds of a poor country, though they have what it is, more people, but they are not able to provide them at least their basic needs. And now there are many others. It can overpopulated country. The people's quality of life can improve if the population decreases. How can we improve? How can we make improvement for the people? That is the first thing. The quality of life can improve when either population should decrease or more resources can be made available. These are the two means to increase their lifestyle. First one, the population should decrease and more resource can be made available. And these things, if they do, and their quality of life can be improved. Now let us see underpopulated population. So let us go once again. Underpopulation, this also is, first we had said, while we were talking about overpopulation. Overpopulation is a condition. Same way, underpopulation also is a condition. Okay. Underpopulation, we can say also, underpopulation is a condition. What type of condition? That we are going to discuss now. Underpopulation, in which the population is so small. Underpopulation, in such condition, the population number of people will be small, that there are not enough people to utilize the available resources. That there are not enough people to utilize the available resources. That is what it's a condition. It's a condition. And what type of condition? The population is so small, the number of people will be less, and there are not enough people to utilize the available resources. We said that in an underpopulated country, populated country, their resources will be more and number of people will be less, and the number of people are not enough to utilize the available resources. And that is why what it is, people are like to go to such kinds of countries to settle or migrate from other countries to such kinds of countries. For example, extra example we can see, so that is on Canada, Australia, Russia and so on. Russia and Namibia are the example of underpopulated countries. In an underpopulated country, more resources can be made available and the quality of life can improve further if the population increases. There, they have one what good positive side, that if their population increases, then also they will be able to provide a quality of life to their own people. And more resources can be made available and the quality of life can improve further if the population increases. But the situation of overpopulated countries are entirely different. Another side, this is not, this is the positive side of underpopulated countries, but same situation we may not find in underpopulated, in overpopulated countries. We generally think that the relatively small countries with a large population are overpopulated, and large countries what it is, large countries like Russia, Australia, Canada, but they are the ability of its population to utilize those resources. Okay, dear students, we can generally think that relatively small countries in large populations are overpopulated, and large countries with small populations are underpopulated. Okay, mark that relatively small countries with a large populations are overpopulated and the large countries with a small population are underpopulated. Okay, that you have to keep it in your mind. And now let us continue. But the overpopulation and underpopulation depend not so much on the size of the population as the countries. Overpopulation, that there is this here itself you have to understand one thing. One is overpopulation and underpopulation. Both are not dependent according to the population of the country. But the ability of the people, those who were or those who are living in that particular country, that shows. That is why we say so. It is a condition of life, and they depend a lot on their skills, awareness, technical knowledge, health, etc. Only healthy, educated, skilled people can utilize resources efficiently and contribute to the development of their country. So, only healthy and the people, those who are healthy, educated and skilled people can utilize resources efficiently and contribute to the development of the country. And that is what we say. So, only educated people, only healthy people can lead their country towards a well developed country. So, thank you students, we will meet in next session.